Good morning. Next example of income from other source, example number 11 of your book. From following are the particulars of income of Mrs. Ramcharan. Compute her income under the head income from other sources for assessment year 2019-20. Dividend received from an Indian company 11,000. Dividend income from Indian company is fully tax free. Winning from lottery amount rupees 70,000. Rate of TDS is 30%. Winning from card game, gross given, so no grossing up required, 24,000. Interest on received on government security held as a investment rupees 14,000. Family pension received 26100. This is new. Mrs. Ramcharan incurred the following expenses. Interest paid on amount borrowed for purchase of share 7,000. This is not allowed as a deduction because dividend on share is not taxable. Collection charge in respect of interest on government securities 2.5% on amount collected. Purchase of lottery ticket not allowed as a deduction. Now we have to prepare statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mrs. Ramcharan. Assessment year 2021, previous year 1920. Particulars amount. Taxable income. First, dividend received from Indian company. Not taxable. Second, winning from lottery. Working note number 1. Winning from lottery. Gross, let's assume 100 minus TDS 30, net 70. 70 amount 70,000 and 100 how much? 1 lakhs. Third, winning from card game 24,000. Fourth, interest received on government security. $14,000. Next, family pension. Working note number 2. Family pension. Minimum is exempted. First, actual एना 33 1/3%. Actual pension 26,100. 33 1/3%. 26,100 multiplied by 33.33 divided by 100. 7,000. Second, maximum family pension 15,000. minimum is tax free. 7,000 is tax free. So taxable actual 26,100 minus 7,000. 26,100 multiplied by 33.33%. 8,700. Sorry, here 8,700 minus 26,100. 17,400 is taxable. Sixth, following expenditure. So total 1,00,000, 24,000, 14,000, 17,400, 155,000, 400. A less B deduction interest paid collection charges 2.5 interest collection charges गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी એના ઉપરનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે 14,000 એના ઉપર 2.5% 14,000 2.5% 350. Purchase of lottery ticket not allowed as a deduction, so minus 155,400 155,050 A minus B taxable income. Next example number 12 of your book. From the following particulars of income of Sri Rakesh, compute his taxable income under the head income from other sources for assessment year 90-20. Dividend on equity share of Indian company fully tax free. Income from unexplained source fully taxable. Net prize money after deduction 30% received on lottery won 35,000. Interest received on 90,000 10% tax free debenture of A Limited. Rate of TDS is 10%. Annual interest date is 1st January. Value of gift of agricultural land situated in rural area of India received from a distant relative. Loan of rupees 20,000 at a rate of 20%. Interest is taken for purchase of debenture of A Limited on 1/10/2018 on which interest is outstanding. Expenses cost of lottery ticket not allowed. Interest received on 10,000 7% capital investment bond fully tax free. Now we have to prepare statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. A. Assessment year 2021, previous year 90-20. Particulars amount. A. Taxable income. First, dividend on share of Indian company. Fully exempted. Second, lottery ticket unexplained source 5,40,000. Income from unexplained source 5,40,000. Third, money received on lottery price. Working note number 1. Lottery price. Let's assume that gross 100 minus rate of TDS on it 30%, so net 70. 70, then lottery price is 35,000. Then 100, how much? 35,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 70. That is 50,000. Lottery price 50,000. Next, fourth, interest on debenture of A Limited. Interest on debenture of A Limited. Working note number 2. A Limited. First of all, we have to calculate interest. 90,000, rate of interest is 10%, so amount of interest is 9,000. Now let's gross interest is 100 minus TDS is 10%, 90, then amount of interest is 9,000, then 100, how much? 10,000. 10,000. Next, agricultural land. This is capital type of asset, so don't consider in income from other source. Agricultural land, not consider in income from other source because it is capital assets. Next, loan. This is deduction. Expense, that is deduction. Interest on 7% capital investment bond. Fully exempted. Total 5,40,000 plus 50,000 plus 1 lakh plus 10,000, 6 lakhs. Minus deduction allowed. Less deduction allowed. Interest on loan. Loan 20,000, 12% is taken for purchase of debenture of A Limited on 1/10/2018. So loan is taken 1/10/2018 to 31st March 2019. So October, November, December, January, February, March, 9 months. Amount of loan is 20,000. Rate of interest on it 12%, multiplied by 6 by 12. 20,000 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 6 divided by 1200. 20,000 and over 12% multiplied by 6 by 12, that is 1200. 1200 minus minus 6 lakhs. 598,800. A minus B. This is B. Taxable income. This is your answer. Next, example number 13 of your book. Mr. A, resident individual, received the following incomes during the previous year 2018-19. You are required to calculate the income chargeable under the head income from other sources. Interest on redeemable listed debenture, rate of TDS is 10%. Interest on cumulative dividend on cumulative preference share no dividend fully exempted. Interest on security of foreign company fully taxable. Gross interest on bond of AMC, rate of TDS is 10%. Interest on security of foreign government, fully taxable. Dividend from UTI, fully exempted. Now we have to prepare statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. A. Previous year 90-20, assessment year 2021, particulars, amount. First, taxable income. First, interest on debenture of redeemable debenture. Working note number 1. Redeemable debenture. Here interest is given 45,000. Let's assume gross interest is 100 minus TDS. Rate of TDS is 10%. Net interest is 90. 45,000, 100, how much? 45,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 90. This is 50,000. 50,000. Second, dividend on preference share, fully tax free. Next, third, interest on security of foreign company. $20,000, fully taxable. Fourth, gross interest on bond of AMC. Interest on AMC bond, 33,000. Next, fifth, interest on security of foreign government. $450,000. Next, dividend from UTI. Fully tax free. Total 50,000 plus 20,000 plus 33,000 plus 4,50,000, 5,53,000. Deduction is not given, so this is your taxable income. Taxable income, total taxable income from other sources. Here our sum is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.